Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is testing Pixi's new matte lipsticks on pale skin. I've not seen anyone do this before, but I don't know if they have or not. But anyway, so if you want to know all about these lipsticks and how they look, then carry on watching. So I actually got sent these and they came in this, which opens out. It's just like a big story, like look how gorgeous it is. And on this side there are two face creams to get, I think they get to go into foundation. I haven't actually tried these ones yet, but I can't wait to try them. And then this side are all the lipsticks. So there's 5 in the collection and they're all more nudie colours, like nudie pinks. So these are all the colours and they are the matte. And these are the MatteLast liquid lipsticks. So I'm just going to try each one on for you so you can see how they look. And I'm also going to use my own lip liners. They aren't Pixi, they're just ones that I have that sort of match because that's my easiest way for applying liquid lipstick, so I get the shape and everything. those are all the matte lipsticks from Pixi, and I love them all so much, and they smell incredible, like sort of like bubblegummy but not overly sweet. Even though they're a matte, they're really comfortable and they're not really drying, and obviously they last all day, like they do not want to come off whatsoever. I think my favourite out of the collection though is Really Rose, which is this one, and I think it really suits my skin so well, and that's the one I've been wearing so much since I got them. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you soon with another. Bye!